Hey, welcome back to the channel. Back in the garage today. It's a little cold out today, -7 degrees Celsius. I'll put what the Fahrenheit is on the screen for everyone in the US. Not only that, we did get just over 10 centimeters of snow. Again, I'll put the inches on the screen. So it doesn't really, it's not a very good combo to go out riding today. So we're back in the garage. I'm not actually working on the bike today. Well, I am and I'm not. I'm actually going to try filming two videos at the same time. But anyways, as I was coming out to do my research on what I'm going to be working on the bike, I thought of a tip for guys like me. So anyways, let's get into it. Oh, I kind of find it funny for a guy who said he wouldn't get into the Harley lifestyle. It's kind of funny that, you know, I got the Harley calendar, Harley floor mat, Harley jacket over there, hog group over there. Anyways, oh, and Harley hat. But anyways, back into the topic at hand. So like I said, I was coming out and I'm starting to do, like I said, research on the bike of what I want to do. And I came up with this tip that it's for guys like me. So when I say guys like me, what I mean is newerish riders, guys that like to work on their own bike, as well as guys that have purchased a used Harley Davidson. Actually, scratch that. It could be used for anyone that actually owns a Harley Davidson. So if that's not you, you probably already know this tip, and this video won't be for you. But for everyone else, well, actually, it could be. It could be a tip for people that have worked on their Harleys before, because I owned this for 2 years and did stuff to the bike before I even knew about this, and it was just something that came across. I've never seen anyone else talk about it either, so maybe you might learn. It might be a tip that you might not know either. But anyways, let me show you what I'm planning to do with the bike. So I've actually purchased new handlebars. Again, I'm a newer rider. What I had done is I had purchased new handlebars, and I still, as a newish rider, I still don't know where I want handlebars to be, whether high, low, back, forward, narrow, wide. I still don't know which ones I want. So I went ahead and I purchased handlebars first, and then I'm going to worry about risers and stuff like that later. I want to get the handlebars first. So that's where this tip I was thinking of comes in handy. So the previous owner of this bike, actually, he kept the original handlebars of the Sport Glide, but he actually put on 4-inch risers, pullback risers, Harley Davidson. And when I was looking into how to do this, one of the things is I'm like, those aren't original stock parts. What am I going to do about torque and everything? And that's where my tip actually comes in. But for that, we'll have to go to the computer. So let's go into the computer. So for this tip, we actually have to go to the Harley Davidson website. So when you're on the website, what you want to do is you want to come to parts. I've already put 2018 Sport Glide, handlebars and controls. So like I said, it's the risers I need. These are the ones that are on there, the fat 4-inch ones. And what you want to do is you want to come down to details, open up details, installation instructions. So you can come on here, or I can come on here and actually find out what the torque specifications are for this installation, which is right here. It's 12 to 15 foot-pounds. But it actually has the whole installation instructions for the part that I'm looking at. So you can come on here and actually look at how it was installed, the specifications of it. So you're going to know how to take it off, reinstall it, anything like that. So it's a great tool to have. And another thing that I actually like to do to this is to find out what parts that I want to actually add to my bike and whether I think I can actually do it myself. I'll give you an example. So something I have actually looked into, let's close this, is I've come in here, Screaming Eagle Performance, of course. Like, what else would I do? Let's just pick one. Screaming Eagle Pro High Volume Oil Pump Cam and Support Plate. I can come down here, go to details, installation instructions, and it tells you, look at that, it's a 3 out of 4 wrench. Ooh, 3 dark wrench. But here's your installation instructions of how to do everything. Again, I'm not going to do this. I don't think I'm capable of doing this, but at least I can come on here, have a look, see if it's something I would actually want to tackle myself or have a professional do it, which I would recommend a professional. I would just screw up the bike myself. But it's something I can come in, have a look at, and see if it's something I want to do. So this tip here, like I said, it's going to help me because I know what the torque specifications are for my risers that I'm going to have to undo just to take the handlebars off to replace them. As soon as I get the courage enough to actually do this installation. But yeah, it's going to help me there. Let me know. Did you know this tip? Did you not know this tip? I think it's a great thing that Harley actually has these on the website, because these here are the instructions that you would actually get with the part if you were to order it from them. So right off the bat, you're going to know if you think you can actually tackle these projects, as well as it actually gives you the different tools you might actually need. That could be a determining factor, because some of the parts that you need are tools to actually install these things are pretty darn expensive. So you might not want to do it that way too. But anyways, let me know, will this tip help you or not? Whatever. Until next time, later.